Impossible? What is impossible? Nothing is impossible except that the state of your mind makes it so. There is nothing we can do to examine or evaluate a concept or an idea until first someone comes up with the idea. First, there's the thought, then the dream. Someone had that dream. Today, there are other dreams that are around. It is called the Searl effect generator. Something you know, something you use. The battery, in this case, lasts forever. It does never run out. The reason for this, we are using nature to keep the flow of energy moving. No fuel, as we know it, is needed. Yet it can power your home, your car, everything you see around you made by man that requires power. This generator will feed it and keep feeding it. You can use it for space, you can use it on the land, you can use it in your home, yet the object itself is so small in comparison to the output. We can go on and on if you want power beyond all accounts. It's photons. That's the role of grounding their energy to the coil. It is simply throwing photons out.
It will be economic to run because there is no fuel bill.
I don't ever believe the motor car was coming, or the train, or the aircraft. So why should I believe about this? At this rate, 1,000 years from now, ultraviolet light is so powerful it will destroy everything on the surface.